This is Realme Pad 2. Now, this is the best tablet under 20,000 rupees. Starting with the design, it has a very beautiful and sleek and stylish design and its look very premium. Comes with a massive display of 11.5 inch with 120Hz refresh rate and it's a 2K super display. The colors and contrast and HDR quality is amazing. You will definitely gonna enjoy the quality of the display that is offered. Not just a display, it also has the monster battery of 8360 mAh and support fast charging too. So you can charge it out very quickly with this 33-watt SuperBook charger. Let's talk about storage. So Realme Pad give you freedom to store at all. It's come with up to 16 GB of dynamic RAM and 256 GB storage. So you can store your content, your game, everything in this tab. Well, it's not just a tablet, it's a style statement. But wait, there is more. Realme Pad 2 offer multi-windows and a split screen feature. And it also has an 8 megapixel of AI camera which you can use to click picture like this, and it also has a dedicated selfie camera for your Zoom meetings, for your video calls, from seamless performing to capturing memories. Realme Pad 2 has its all, and this is the only tablet under this budget which offers 4G connectivity, massive charging and huge 11.5 inch display. It is not just your only choice, it is your best choice. So elevate your tech game with this Realme Pad 2.